I know, Birbs. Hey, hey. Hello. One moment, Boob. Hang on. Hang on. Oh, straight down. You're standing in it. You're standing in it. You're standing in it. Hey. Hey. You got a big pat. You get a big pat. You get a big pat. G'day. It's the Birbies. Now, Birbies, including you up there, and everyone that's emptied food everywhere already. Oh, someone's marked stereo. Someone's marked one of the Birbies with green paint or dye or something. Interesting. Hello, all you munchulators. Now, you lot be nice to me. Thank you, Lizzie. Oh yes, come on. You lot be nice to me, please. Yes, Lizzie, lots of kisses needed today. I'm all wired up. Got a Holter monitor thing, ECG stuff for 24 hours. So it's all about normal day, so that includes verbulation, yes. Hello. Hello, what do you got to say? Chookie. Hello, Chookie. Hello, beautiful Chookie. Come on, you lot. Lizzie Liz, kiss. Chookie. Poo brain. Oh, head Birbs. What you gonna do? Come on, Chookie. Come on, head Birbs. Oh, poo brain, you deserve a water spray. Oh, Lizzie, kiss. Oh, yes, Chookie, I know. Hello. Oi. Sneaky pats. Chookie. Come on, Chook. Chookie. Lizzie Liz. Hey. Sneaky Birbs. Chookie. Gotcha. Come on, Chookie. Lion egg, Chookie. Lizzie Liz. Come on, Liz. Chookie. Lion egg, Chookie. Oh, and I get the foot too. Now, right, thank you. Stretch a Birb. There's a beak on my head. It's a very strange outlook here. Oh, yes. Hey? I've heard there's something in the bucket. I can't think of a nursery rhyme. Look, I know. Right, let's try it without getting chewed fingers. Come on, beakies. Can you get beakies? Chook. Come on, Lizzie. I hope the microphone doesn't get too much scratch. Chookie. Because it's the first test run other than 3 or 4 seconds. Hey, come on, Lizzie. Chookie. Chook. Come on. Oh, hello. Who's this? Hey. Chookie. Lizzie, kisses. Oh. Excuse me. You're a noisy bird. Lizzie, kiss in my ear. Hey, come on. Oh, no. Oh, Lizzie, so busy. Hey, Birbs. Oh, hello. Oh, yes. Yes, Lizzie. Oh, Chookie. Come on, Chookie. Hey. No bites. Fluffy. Hey. Lizzie, Liz, kiss, kiss. Thank you, Liz. Come on, Headburbs. Come on, Chucky. Cheeky bird. Cheeky bird. Huh. Cheeky Birbs. Cheeky Birbs. Cheeky Birbs. Cheeky Birbs. Cheeky Birbs. Come on. Come on, Lizzie Liz. Come on, Lizzie Liz. Sneaky Pat. Sneaky Pat. Sneaky Pat. Gotcha. Oh, Chucky. Lizzie. Headburbs. Maxi Burbulations. Look, there's a cat. Almost. Chook, chook. Hey, look at all your hopeful boobies out there. Hey? Come on, green bird. Come on, green birds. Come on, Chook. Come on, Liz. Uh-oh. We've had a flock off. Oh, yeah. Oh, who's that? Yes. Oh, thud, thud, clunk, bang. Oh, really? It's like that, is it? It's like that, is it? Yeah. Come on. Who's it? Look, whoever's on my head. Lizzie. Yes, chewing on my ear. Hey, come on. Yes. Yes, you. You're the phantom stealer. Yes, you are. Come on. Fly in, fly out. A mining Birbs doing fly in, fly out, fly out. Come on, hey, come on, Lizzie. Come on, come on. Maxi Munches, come on, come on, come on. There we go. Come on, up you come. There we are. Up you come. Oh yeah. Hey, green bird. I wonder who painted you green. Actually, it looks like it is paint, not dye. Hey, you must visit somewhere else, baby. Oh, Rexy. Hello, Rexy. You got a few more feathers today, Rexy. Hey, Rexy. You're a good birdie. Yeah. You got some more feathers. Oh, yeah. Come on, burbulators. Hello. Hello. Yes, you. Lizzie Liz. Who you got down here? Hey? Come on. Come on. In you get. Yeah. Oh. Headburbs, Headburbs. What you gonna do? Hello. That was a hurro bird. Oh, yeah. Is that a fax bird or a chook bird? Here we got. Hello. Is that Chucky? Oh, it sure is. Oh, it's fly in, fly out. Hey, it's FIFO. FIFO bird. F-I-F-O. Fly in, fly off. Lizzie. Come on, Lizzie. Hey, stop it. Thank you. Less noise. Come on. In the car. Hey. There we go. Hello. Yes, hello. Oh, Lizzie. In you come, Lizzie. Hello. Hello. Yes, hello, birds. Lizzie, Liz. Who is that got a bite in the butt? Oh, Lizzie. Kiss, kiss. Do I get a big kiss? I do. Oh, yeah. Come on. Yeah. Get that beak in. No, not into me. You get beak into seed, yes. Oh, yeah. Yum, yum, birdums. Oh, Lizzie, huge kisses. Oh, yeah. Hello. Yes, you had some more? You're going to say hello? You're going to say hello? Come on. Come on, say hello. 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 You're not going to say hello. Okay. There, see? You say hello and you get fed. There you go. See, it's not difficult. Not asking for much. Come on. Come on, big horses. Oh, it's Tina Turkey. Yeah. Hello, Tina Turkey. checking out the situation. Hello, bird. Oh yeah, who's this? Another bird. Another bird. Another bird. More Birbs. More Birbs. Oi, oi, oi! Stop it. Yeah, you. Yeah, stop there. Hello, squeakies. Yes, squeakies. Oh, Mr. Pooh Brain. Hello, hello. What? Excuse me. There we go. Gobble got. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Get your beaks in, get your beaks in. Thank you. Come on. Oh, it's FIFO. Flap in, flap off. Yeah. FIFO bird. Hey. Hello, Chookie. Hello, Chookie. Hey, Chookie. Busy? Miss Tina? I know. Come on, Handy Bird. Come on, Lizzie. I know. Come on. I know, you can all have some. I know, Chookie. Oh, thank you, Lizzie. Kiss, kiss. Kissy, kissy, Liz. Yes, Tina. Right. Hang on, boobies. Hang on. Excuse me. Covered in seed. Right. Stand. Oh, thank you. Thank you, FIFO bird. I know. Now, look what we have here. Beg your pardon. Like, such cheekdom. Such cheekiness. Yes, such cheekiness. I know, it's coming. So's Christmas, you reckon? Hey, FIFO bird. Come on. Oh, banana. Tina, come on. Oh, yum birdums. Anyone going to have that nut? Not going to have the nut. Nuts to nuts. Hey, come on. Lizzie, kiss. Oh, someone's having a nut. Oh, look at you. You're right into it. Hey, there's another one in there. There's a peanut in there. You can have the peanut? Yes, you are. You're the nutty bird. You're the nutty bird. Oh, Lizzie, come on, Lizzie. I think that's a chookie too. Hey, chook, Liz. Come on, hurry bird. There's Handy Birbs. Oh yeah. Come on. Oh, yum. Yum, birdums. Banana. Oh, maxi munches. From the birdie bunches. Oh, yes. This is the relaxation aroma my doctors told me I should be having. No, it's stress from other things. Who is that got bitten? You coming up? What are you doing? Hey? Come on, squeakies. Go, what are you doing, Pooh Brain? Oh, there's a bird right behind the camera, the phone, on the tripod, and I think if the flappery starts, the tripod's going to go thud on the ground. It depends. We're right behind it. Oh no, we're beside it now. I know, we're climbing on the phone now. We're sitting on the tripod. And yes, head Birbs. You're sitting on me, I know you are. Oh, that was close. That was close. A bit of a rumble in the jungle from the tripod. Hello. Handy Birbs, do you know how warm your feet are? It's like little heaters. Hey? It's like little heaters. Hey, come on, come over. Come on. There we go. Oh yeah. Come on, Fluffy. You're so dirty, Fluffy. You need a wash. You need a bath. Hey? Oh yeah, come on. Oh, Fluffy. I know, Tina. Come on, you lot. Come on. Fluffy, you got to do some work for yourself, you know. Monsieur Fluff. Monsieur Fluffy. Come on, Lizzie. Come on, Lizzie. Oh, that was mean. That was mean. Yeah, that was you. Yeah. You biting other bird. You biting other birdie. Ooh, 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 ooh. Gotcha. Oh, head babies. Oh, that was a close call, wasn't it? Yeah. Ding dong, close call. Yup, yup, yup. Hello, other boobies. Oh, Tina. Hey, Fluffy. Hello. Come on. Oh, Fluff. Come on, you lot. Oh, yes. Fluff, Fluff. Fluffy, what do you want? Yes, dirty Fluff. You've only been digging in the dirt. You seem to be getting looking like Lizzie in dirty days when she first arrived, eh? Eh? Hey, Lizzie? You're covered in dirt, which is why you got the name Busy Lizzie. Miss Busy Lizzie. Hey. Look at you now, you slick baby. Hey? Still the funny feathers. Such a cute bird. Oh, poo brain. Hello, Fluff. Hello, Fluffy. Hello, Fluffy. Come on, Fluffy. Come on, Fluffy. Hello, Tina. Fluffy. And Bob in the bucket. I know I've got birds in my feet. Come on, Lizzie. Come on, Lizzie. Thank you, Lizzie. Yeah? Good kissy. Kiss, kiss. Do I get a kiss? Thank you. Hello, Tina Turkey. Oh. Oh. You can bugger off. I'm Super Burb. Hello. Hello. Come on. Come on. Alright, I'm gonna have to put some more, you know. Yes, Fluff. Who's having a nibble on my hat? Hey? Nibble on my hat? Oh, oh, that was a flyby and a fluff by. Hey, come on. Hey, come on. Oh, yes, Lizzie. Yes, Lizzie. Excuse me. Excuse me, Birbs. Pile a seed out there. Pile a seed in here. I know. Pick up a bird. Take a little one out, maybe. Oh, yeah, look what's behind you. Look what's here. No, let's protect that seed. Thank you, Jessie. Cheese poo brain. Come on. What do you get? Hello, Tina. What you doing, Tina? Busy, oh so busy. Hey, come on, come on. Oh, you got a nut. You coming down? There we go. Oh, who else is here? Hey? Maxi Birbs. Thank you, Lizzie. Kissy, kissy. Kissy, kissy, Lizzie. Hey? Oh, thank you, Lizzie. Oh, yes, Lizzie. Hey? Come on. Oh, thank you, Lizzie. Kiss, kiss. Hello. Hello. Oh, yeah. Hey, don't eat me. No, eat me. Fluffykins. There we go. Yum yums. Oh, banana. Yeah, you coming up? Come on, come up. There you go, Lizzie, Lizzie, kiss, kiss. Hey, come on. Hey, nutbird. Lizzie, 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 Liz, Lizzie, 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 Liz. Hello. Yeah, you come up as well. You want to come up as well? Ooh, sneaky pat. Hey, thank you, Lizzie. Kiss, kiss. Hey. How are your birbulations? Oh, thank you, Lizzie. Thank you, Lizzie. Lizzie, Liz. Oh, oi. What's going on up there? Oh, come on, Liz. Come on, Liz. Thank you, Lizzie. Come on, you come over. No, you don't eat me. Coming over? Come on. Come on, step on. There you are. There you are. Get on. I'll leave you. Come on. There you are. Come on, step on. Come on, get on. Oh no, you take away. Whoop. Max flatulation going down there somewhere. Come on, Lizzie. Thank you, Lizzie. Hey? Woo. Flybys. Hello. Yes. Would that be a Bugsy? Kiss, kiss. Thank you. Hello. What do you got to say? What you got to say? Anything? You got anything to say? Oh no, you're squeak. Hello, squeak bird. Fluffy. 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 No. Oh, hey. Jekyll and Hyde fluff. Hello. Oh, hello. Come on. Thank you. Come on you come. Hey, yum yum. Yum yum birdums. You coming on? No, you got to come over. Yeah. Come on, you come up. There you go. Stretch, stretch. Stretch a bird. Hello. 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 Yes, you. And Lizzie. Oh, thank you, Lizzie. Thank you, Lizzie. Oh, beautiful baby. Come on. Hey, oh, thank you, Lizzie. Hey, what was that about, eh? Yum yums? Turn that around so you can choose a banana at you. I thought you wanted banana. 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 Busy, so busy. Hey, Rexy. What? Oh, it's FIFO Burb. FIFO Burb. Fly in, flap, fly out. Excuse me, you noisy thing. I know. Hey, Rexy. Hello, Rexy. Oh, yeah, your feathers are growing a bit. Hello, squeakies. Excuse me, FIFO. Hi, FIFO fo-fum. Bird. Rexy, come on, Rex. Come on, Rexy. Right. I don't know how I'm going to wash all this off. Not meant to have a shower with all these pads on me. Oh well. Just brush off the bird seed. Whoa, Bud, who was that? Hello? Yes, Vicky. What you got to say? Hello? You're going to say hello, are you? Very good. Come on. Hello? Hello? Oi, what's all this noise about? Hey? Yes? Hey? Whoa, are you doing a sandwich, birdie? Yeah, you got two at once. Actually. Hello, that's Bella. Hello, Bella baby. Hello, Bella baby. Hey, hello. Come on. That's Bella Birbs. Hello, Bella. Hello, Lizzie. Hey, Miss Lizzie. Hello, bird. Oh, we lost the hello bird. Hey? We gained the Bella bird. Hey, Bella. Oh, thank you. Capitulating bird. Oh, Lizzie. Getting violent there, so to speak. Hello. You want some up there, do you? Wait. What you doing? Head Birbs. Lizzie, Liz. Thank you, Lizzie. There you go, Bella. Hey? Oh, Lizzie. Come on. Oh, coming down, are we? Yes, very elegant that was. Very elegant. Oh, yes. Oh, Lizzie. Have a chew on me. Cream. Come on, Bella. Ay. Wait. No, up the back there. Yeah, thank you, Lizzie. You coming in? What are you doing? You coming down? Come on. There you go. Lizzie, Liz, come on. There you are. Come on, Bella. Oh, yeah. Oh, lost the Bella. Hey. Oh, that was Rexy coming in, actually. Just realised, but I moved my arm. Come on. Oh, direct hit, Loretta. With the seed. Head birds. You're right there, Bob, in the bucket. Hello. Oh, was that a foot bird? Did I just hit? Oh, thanks, bud. Oh, hello. Who's that? You coming down? Yeah, you are. Very good. Oh, it's hello, birdie. Hello, you lot. Would you like some more? Yeah, I'll get you some more. Oh, hello. Yeah. Hang on. Get your beak out. You got some down there. Yes, Lizzie. Come on. Rexy. Sorry, you missed out. You go down to the ground, Rexy. Miss Lizzie. Hello, bird. Hello. Come on, say hello. Say hello. No, sweet. Say hello. Come on. No. That's it. Hello. Bob, you're in the bucket. Bob is in the bucket, not Bob of the bucket. What? Thud? Oh, that's... Hello, yes. Come on, what are you doing? Hello, Tina Turkey. Come on, Lizzie. Come on. What you waiting for? Look, you want to come over? You gotta step on. You gonna step on? Come on, Lizzie. Hey. Yeah, you want some? You gotta stretch a bit more. Hey. You gonna stretch a bit more? Oh, it's so difficult. Oh yeah, it's so hard. Sneaky pat. Sneaky pat. Almost. Not hello, bird. Oh, Lizzie, kiss. Kiss. Gotcha. Look at that funny Oh, Lizzie, kissy in the ear. Better than a bite in the rear. Oh, hey. Oh, fud, crunch. Munch-a-lots, crunch-a-lots. Oh, excuse me. Kitty Bob. Oh, yeah, I know. Coming back. Whoop. Oh, that was close. Rescued it. You're after your banana nut. Now got wraparound Birbs. So what are you doing? You gonna come over? What you gonna do, eh? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do when my fingers on you? Hmm? Hey? Hey? Hey?